Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make donut designs. We'll start by exploring the foundational elements of donut creation, focusing on different shapes and sizes that form your canvas. Then, we'll dive into the exciting world of glazes and frostings, discussing various types and their applications. Finally, we'll cover the basic tools you'll need to bring your delicious visions to life, ensuring you have a solid starting point for your donut artistry. Now, let's get hands-on with glazes and toppings. We'll demonstrate several effective methods for applying glazes, from simple dips to more intricate drizzles, ensuring a smooth and even coat every time. Next, we'll spark your creativity by exploring a wide array of topping combinations, showing you how to mix textures and flavors. We'll also share tips for making sure your sprinkles, nuts, or candies adhere perfectly, creating a beautiful and delicious finish. Ready to elevate your donut game? This segment focuses on advanced decorating techniques. We'll guide you through practicing intricate piping designs, from delicate lines to elaborate patterns, using various tips. You'll learn how to effectively incorporate edible decorations like sugar flowers or chocolate pieces to add a professional flair. We'll also discuss strategies for creating cohesive, themed donuts perfect for holidays or special events, making your creations truly stand out. The final touches are crucial for showcasing your beautiful donut designs. Here, we'll cover how to arrange your donuts attractively, whether for a platter or a display case, maximizing their visual appeal. We'll also discuss selecting the most appropriate packaging options to ensure your creations travel safely and maintain their pristine condition. Our goal is to help you keep your donuts fresh and looking their best, from your kitchen to their final destination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.